Welcome to this sacred space of morning stillness. Before the world begins its demands, before the noise of the day settles in, you have chosen to be here with yourself. Find a comfortable position, ideally sitting upright to maintain a sense of gentle alertness. Rest your hands where they feel most natural, perhaps palms facing up on your knees to receive the energy of the day, or resting one inside the other in your lap. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a moment to simply arrive. Feel the weight of your body against the chair or the floor. Acknowledge that you are safe, you are grounded, and there is nowhere else you need to be. Begin by taking a very deep, conscious breath in through your nose. Feel the air traveling down, expanding your lungs, pushing your belly out. Hold it for just a second at the top, and then release it with a long, slow sigh through the mouth. Let's do this 2 more times. Deeply in, filling every corner of your being with fresh oxygen, and a slow, complete release, letting go of any heaviness from your sleep. Once more, the deepest breath you've taken all day, feeling your chest rise and your spine lengthen. And exhale, feeling your shoulders drop and your jaw relax. Now, let your breath return to its natural, unforced rhythm. Don't try to change it. Just observe it. Notice the subtle temperature of the air as it enters your nostrils, cool and crisp, and the way it feels slightly warmer as it leaves your body. Imagine that with every inhale, you are breathing in a soft golden light. This light represents clarity, vitality, and peace. With every exhale, imagine a gray mist leaving your body. This is any residual stress, any worry about the future, or any fatigue. You are cleaning your internal space, making room for the new day. Shift your attention now to the very top of your head. Imagine a warm, gentle sensation, starting at the crown and slowly melting down. Let it smooth out your forehead, Relax the tiny muscles around your eyes. Let your cheeks become soft. Unclench your teeth and let your tongue rest away from the roof of your mouth. Feel this relaxation flow down your neck and into your shoulders. Most of us carry the weight of our responsibilities on our shoulders. For now, let that weight slide off. Feel your arms becoming heavy and relaxed, all the way down to your elbows, your wrists, and each individual finger. As you continue to breathe, bring your awareness to your heart center. Place a hand over your heart if it feels right. Feel the steady, quiet rhythm of your life force. In this space, let's cultivate a sense of gratitude. Think of 3 simple things you are grateful for this morning. It could be the warmth of your bed, the quiet of the room, or the simple fact that you woke up today to a brand new beginning. Let that feeling of gratitude expand, like a warm glow in your chest. Realize that this day is a gift, a blank canvas that hasn't been painted on yet. You are the artist, and you get to choose the colors. Now, think about the day ahead of you. Instead of thinking about your to-do list, think about your to-be list. How do you want to show up today? If you have a busy day, perhaps you want to be patient. If you have challenges, perhaps you want to be resilient. Choose one word that will be your anchor today. It could be peace, focus, kindness, or strength. Repeat this word silently to yourself, letting it vibrate through your mind. Today, I am focused. Today, I am at peace. Visualize yourself moving through your morning, your afternoon, and your evening, carrying this intention with you. See yourself responding to others with grace and handling your tasks with a calm, clear mind. As we move into a few minutes of deeper silence, stay with your breath. Use your anchor word if you need to. Enjoy this stillness. You are building a reservoir of peace that you can dip into whenever the day becomes loud. You are the observer of your thoughts, not the slave to them. Slowly, very gently, start to bring your awareness back to the physical space around you. Don't rush. Feel the contact of your body with the surface beneath you. Notice the subtle sounds in the room, perhaps a clock ticking, or the distant sound of the world waking up. Take a deep, energizing breath, feeling the life and potential tingling in your limbs. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Gently roll your shoulders back and down. If it feels good, reach your arms up toward the sky for a deep morning stretch, lengthening your spine and welcoming the light. Bring your palms together in front of your heart in a gesture of thanks. Thank yourself for taking these 20 minutes to ground yourself, to breathe, and to set your intention. This practice is a gift to yourself, but also to everyone you will encounter today, as you will meet them with more presence and calm. When you feel completely ready, when you feel grounded and awake, slowly blink your eyes open. Take a look around your room, noticing the colors and shapes. Carry this clarity, this light, and your intention with you as you step into your day. You are ready for whatever comes your way. Have a beautiful and mindful day.